Good evening. That is our top story tonight. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention are recommending schools cancel some sports and activities in areas of high transmission.
So will local schools follow that advice? News 8 Now's Tyler Jobe is live in La-Crescent with what he found out.
Jordan, Amy, the CDC identifies sports into three categories: high, intermediate, and low risk. Football and wrestling fall under the high risk category, as well as band and choir. But la-crescent-hokah leaders tell me that they plan to keep these activities going. Schools have been in this situation before, balancing pandemic precautions with sports and extracurricular activities.
We believe that we continue to do it in a safe way.
According to the CDC, more than 99% of the country has high levels of virus transmission. Houston County falls under that category. But la-crescent-hokah Interim Superintendent Dale Carlson says the district plans to continue sports activities.
We think it's what's best for our kids right now to be able to still provide that opportunity for them to practice together, compete together, learn together.
Health experts say sports pose a greater risk for the virus to spread, but at the same time, they say sports are good for students' mental health.
Kids find so much joy in sports that are doing it.
Mayo Clinic sports medicine specialist Dr. David Soma says sports are good for kids physically and socially. When you take sports away, he says kids lose their normal routine and become more isolated.
And we know that those aren't always the best for them either.
Soma says playing sports in this current environment has its risks and benefits.
If we can keep it going as safely as possible, that I think is in the best interest of kids in most situations.
Carlson says the district keeps in touch with other schools and health departments to make decisions about sporting events, so things can change at any time.
Health and safety remains our top priority, but also with that, we want to provide these opportunities for our students.
Now, I did contact other schools throughout the La Crosse area. Onalaska, West Salem, Holman, and Bangor leaders all tell me that they do plan to keep sports and activities going at this time. Jordan, Amy?
All right, Tyler Jobe reporting live for us tonight. Tyler, thank you.
Tyler also called La Crosse's Sparta School, but their leaders there were not available for comment.